Mm, Go ahead, Daddy.
It's a Queens thing, baby.
I wanna lounge with you.
Trap masters, rock on.
We be too.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So before I get into the discussion about my hair loss and actually relaxing my hair, I'm going to go ahead and go over the relaxer I use. I buy the box kit in the brand ORS. I buy it in the normal strength. You can get this from any of your local beauty supply stores or Walmart. It runs you about $6 or $7. So I'm also going to show you everything you get in the kit. The first thing you get in the kit is the actual relaxer and the activating oil. So you'll pull that into the relaxer and it activates it. And I'll demonstrate it here in a minute. So it comes with the neutralizing shampoo, of course, that stops the relaxer from processing. And you also get the conditioner, a pack of conditioner. You can deep condition your hair with this, sit under the jar like I do, and then you get some extras. Here is some oil moisturizer as an extra, and it also comes with exotic oil boost, which I love. It makes the hair shine. And then it came with some edge control, which I did not use, so I can't give you a review on that. And then here is just a little clip of me mixing the activator and the relaxer, because I know some people who watch these videos have never relaxed their hair before. So this is what it looks like when you pull the activator to the relaxer and you just mix it until it's really creamy. I'm pretty much just going to do a voiceover so I can stay on time with my relaxer. It's hard to stay on time when you're talking. And because relaxing my hair is the same thing every time, and I have quite a few videos on here now on me relaxing my hair. So before I get started, I always base my hair with sensitive scalp. I let that sit on for a couple of hours before I relax my hair, or a couple of minutes if I'm late. It helps the relaxer from burning. So, and then I always split my hair into four and relax my hair into four sections. And I only relax my new growth because that is what needs to be relaxed. I leave my relaxer in about 17 minutes because that is what it tells me to do. I don't really go back and work that relaxer into my hair because I don't have time and I don't feel like it's necessary. My relaxer relaxes my hair or gets it straight without working it in. And plus, I don't need it bone straight because, as you see, I do overlap a little bit. It's just hard not to do. So because I don't get my hair bone straight, I guess that's okay. And I'm probably going to disable the comments because I am so tired of people talking crap on these relaxer videos. Get over it. If you are natural, you're natural. That's your walk of life. This is mine. I don't care what you say. I don't need your advice on life, period. So anyway, let me get into the topic of this video, which is me discussing my recent hair loss. And no, the hair loss is not due to the relaxer. Anytime I lose hair, it's in one area of my head. And if I'm stressing over something, just a little bit of stress or anything, I just have a problem area. And a lot of people have problem areas. My problem area is nape of my head in the back. Anytime I stress, that is where I lose hair, no matter what. It's been that way since I can remember. And I'm going to insert clips of it. So here is where I lose hair anytime I have an issue, I'm stressing, or anything. It is always the nape of my hair. And it's been this way since I was a child. Anytime, and it's sad that as a child I would have hair loss, but I did because I didn't have anyone taking care of my hair per se. But yeah, this is my problem area. I lose hair right here, but when I relax it, it lays really good if I put some gel on it, so I am able to style it so it's not very noticeable. And thank God my problem area is the back, because I know some people who problem areas is in the front of the hair, and then some of people's problem areas is in the middle of the hair, but of the head. And I'm sure they have different ways of hiding that. Now for me, when I have hair loss, my hair grows right back. It's going to grow back. It's just the fact that I know it's going to happen again. And then on top of me stressing for that little period of time over something that I shouldn't have been stressing over, I also was not taking care of my hair like I should have been. I noticed that the new products that I shown in the video was not working for my hair, but I neglected to go back to my old products. So my hair was not getting moisturized like it should. And for me, my hair is very dry. If I do not moisturize my hair as I should, it will break off with the quickness. So I have to moisturize my hair every day and make sure it is penetrating and not sitting on my hair shaft. Between this relaxer and my last relaxer, I neglected my hair so bad, and it resulted in hair loss. I'm not really tripping because, again, I don't trip when my hair falls out because I know it grows back, and I do not have no insane hair journey. So yeah, leave me comments on below if I haven't disabled them on your problem areas and why you have them and what you do to fix them. I would like to hear from those who are relaxed. So that is it for this video, guys. I just wanted to discuss my hair, how it's been doing and what's going on. And I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any comments, please leave them below. Also, do not forget to hit that subscribe button so you can see my future uploads. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Go ahead, Daddy.
It's a Queens thing, baby.
I wanna dance with you.
Trap master, rock on.